When people imagine the pyramids, they imagine gold. They imagine secret texts, hidden knowledge, treasures sealed away for eternity. But when you actually step inside the Great Pyramid of Giza, you find something else. Silence. Narrow stone corridors. Their walls. Empty chambers. For monuments built to last forever, they are strangely hollow. The pyramids were built as royal tombs. At least, that's what history tells us. So naturally, we expect mummies, hieroglyphs, symbols of the afterlife. But the Great Pyramid contains almost none of this. No wall carvings. No written spells. No treasure. Even the sarcophagus inside the king's chamber is empty. This absence is not an accident. It's the mystery. The Great Pyramid contains only a few known spaces. A descending passage. An ascending passage. The Grand Gallery. The Queen's Chamber. And the King's Chamber. That's it? No decoration. No explanations. Just precision-cut stone blocks, placed with astonishing accuracy. Some blocks weigh over 70 tons. And yet, inside, the pyramid feels unfinished. Almost as if something is missing. For centuries, explorers noticed something strange. Small shafts leading from the chambers. Blocked doors. Dead ends that seem intentional. In 1993, a robotic probe discovered sealed limestone doors deep inside one of these shafts. Behind and more stone. And more unanswered questions. The pyramid wasn't just built and sealed. It was compartmentalized. In 2017, scientists used a technique called muon scanning, a method that detects cosmic particles passing through stone. What they found shocked researchers. A large, previously unknown void above the Grand Gallery. At least 30 meters long. Not debris. Not collapse. An intentional empty space. Its purpose remains unknown. No entrances have been found. No inscriptions explain it. The pyramid is still hiding something. If the pyramids were only tombs, why so much complexity? Why sealed chambers that lead nowhere? Why voids too precise to be accidental? Some Egyptologists believe these spaces had symbolic meaning. Pathways for the soul. Or representations of the sky. Others believe the pyramids were never finished as planned. And some questions remain unanswered simply because we may not yet have the tools to ask them properly. Perhaps the pyramids were never meant to be full. Perhaps their true content is not objects, but intention. They are monuments not just to death, but to permanence. They remind us that even with modern technology, we still stand outside their final meaning. The pyramids do not reveal their secrets easily. And maybe they never were meant to. This has been the 120 Explorer. And some mysteries are built to last longer than answers.